kasi ng brass material eh. Side lamp.
Nickel-plated.
Side table lamp. Pwede din namang pendant light. This one's 1,690. Pair na ba? Isa lang. So, just one piece. 1,690. Scan the code. Pero to talaga. Bet ko to eh. I like this. Ganito yung sinasabi kong design ng cabinet. Na kapag close mo siyang ganyan, wala na yung mirror. Tatakpan na kasi bawal sa feng shui may mirror nakaharap sa bed. Ganito yung gagawin mo, Kuya Jason. Cabinet para sa master bed. Cabinet yan hindi lang mirror yan. Pero kung gusto natin ng ganito para sa vanity, it's 3,490. Scan this QR. Kaya lang, hindi siya pang modern. Post-modern yung ano niya, design niya because of the curves. Pero pwede din siyang organic because of the curves, which is trending this 2024. If you want this type of mirror with a magnified type and a regular type of mirror, this one's 2,990. Battery operated. Scan the QR. Ah, cute! Ito yung gusto ko, sabi ni Zef kanina. 2,490. Scan the code.
Thank you.
This should be our vanity at the walk-in closet. 4,990. Scan this QR. It's made from particle board. You can store your makeup here. This one's your chair, sold separately. This one's 1,390. It's made from birch plywood. Kasi hindi siya particle board. Okay to na, hindi siya particle board. Ito lang yung particle board. May mirror na rin siya dito. Pero kasi yung wall natin doon, magiging mirror na rin to. Tapos ito yung isasandal natin doon sa mirror. A lot of vanity examples here. Vanity inspirations. Scan this QR. Ganda din Kaya lang...
Bukle ba yun?
Bukle. Mamaya magpapakita yun. Pero this one's 13,200. Taran. Dressing table lang. 6,990. If you want this acrylic chair, this one's 6,450. Scan this QR. Zef wants this mirror. Scan the QR. Yan. Pwede siyang magnified and regular.
Ang cute naman.
Sa walk-in closet, diba? Ito. Kasi magiging mirror yung pader natin doon na Yun yung balak ko. Tapos, meron lang siyang side table na parang ganito. So, dyan mga makeup. Meron din mga trays dito for only 30 pesos. Baby's room. Baby's area. Taran! For the future baby. Baby Wonderland. Ito.
Wala pang baby sa kamunin.
990. Wala siyang QR. Maganda magganito sa baby's room, guys. Diba? Cloud beds. Pero maganda gold yung loob. Para warm yung may illuminate niya. Another one of my bet ko to, guys. Ang ganda niya. It's Mark Frost side table lamp. Scan this QR. Ganda niya. Edison bulb. If you want this type of study lamp, scan this QR. It's 2,500. Tada!
Wow.
16,990. Storage arm. Mirror cabinet para sa CR. Fiber board. Wala siyang particle board. 80 by 14 by 96 mirror cabinet. So let's check this out. Wow, a lot of storage. Imagine using this on your bathroom and installing this in your bathroom. Tapos pwede pa siyang i-recess, no? Ibaon mo siya sa wall if you have the luxury to do that in your CR, ha? This one's 41,970. Shower door. Tempered glass. In fairness, tempered glass siya. 84 by 202. Walk-in closet. Yung lights niya, permanent na naka-on.
Wow!
This over here, itong buo na to, 28,350. It's made from particle board. Sorry, particle board lang siya, hindi siya matibay. 990. If you want this type of mirror, it's 78 by 196. It's 6,490. LED light strip is 2,380. Such as cabinets, bookshelves, and closets. Scan this. Yung light LED strip. Ito yung Ottoman yung sinasabi ko. How much? Walang price. Baka nasa loob. Ah, wala siyang storage inside. Sorry. It's a no. This light over here, pendant light or ang tawag yan, chandelier? Pendant lamp na. I was right. It's Simrishan. It's 3,790. Scan the QR. Maganda to kasi mid-century modern din yung design niya. Sphere. Ito din, this one for the living room. It's 6,490. Kesa naman sa West Elm, 34,000 yung ganito. Scan the QR. Ganda niya, guys. Yan, mid-century modern. You want a pendant lamp as well, like this. The price is, this is 1,590. Pendant lampshade is 1,590, and this one is cord set is 690. Scan the QR of the cord set and the pendant lamp. If your room is like this, pwede ito sa room ko kasi medyo green yung I mean dark moody green yung
Yung mga design page.
If you want a phone stand like this, it's 890. Scan the QR. If you want this, 890. Itong desk clock, alarm clock. Drawer set, ayoko nito. Drawer set, baka gusto niya yan. Look inside, there's an organizer. So we found a magnetic remote control for your lighting, which is called Smart White. It's for this one. You can change the mood into brighter, and then you can turn it off like this. You can turn it on like that. And if you want it less bright, for dimmer, pwede rin, you can switch it into a warm light, white, and then white. It's a remote control. Pwede rin siya dito sa wall. It's 690. This couch, you guys, it's a love seat. It's 32,990. Scan the QR. Smedstorp. Walang dimensions. Pero maganda siya para sa living room. Kasi mid-century modern din siya because of the feet. And also, this mirror over here, pangit. Ayoko niyan. Ito, maganda. 350. And the hanging shelf is picture LED siya actually. Walnut. Yung favorite color natin, baby. Walnut. 350. Scan the QR. Pwede tayo mag-order online Lahatin na. Ganda niya. Ito din What's the price? Walang nakalagay. I want this. Pero may kita naman natin to online tinan niyo. It's pretty. It's from Japan. Charot. Ito din ganda diba? 350. Scan the QR.
Where?
Ang ganda din guys, Edison lamp, but it's a floor lamp. 3,690. Scan the QR. Ganda. This one as well. Ganda ng tray table. Where's the price? Tray, it's $4.50. Ganda. I want this. If you want this side table as well, it's mid-century modern. What is this? Air purifier and side table at the same time. It's $9.90. I like this. Ganda. It's made from plywood. Oh, hindi siya particle board. Scan this QR. LED floor lamp for $4.90. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Nagbibigay siya ng magandang mood. A cozy mood inside your room. This one is a nice vase as well. $1,290. Scan the QR. Boho mirror, $2,990. Hello. Shoe rack, ottoman, an oval mirror. It's $3,490. Walang QR. If your house or your bedroom is boho inspired, it's $1,590 for this table lamp. Bamboo. Taran! Cord set lang. Ito yung sinasabi ko, baby, oh. Track lighting. $2,490. Ceiling light with 4 spotlights. Scan the QR. If you want this lamp, it's $1,890. Brass wall lamp, it's $2,490. Gusto ko nung brass eh. Energy saving. Taran!
Take you up in boom 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
See this track lighting? I want this one because it's brass. It's $2,790. It's called barometer. If it's paired with green, it looks nice. If you want this hanging pendant light, it's called pendant lamp pala, $2,990. It's called Galjon. Ito yung sinasabi kong gold yung loob para warm yung ini-illuminate niya. Maganda to sa kitchen, lalo pag industrial yung kitchen. $4,490. Ayan. $9,390. It's NHET. Tawag sa kanya. Meron na siyang overhead light. Tapos yung dimensions mo, lapitan mo nga na. Wala siyang dimension. 60 by 17 by 75. Ang kanyang material ay particle board. So, pangit. Pwede yan pang vanity, oh. Ganda. Yun din, pang vanity. $3,490 for this oval mirror. And this one is $2,690. It's 40 by 130 centimeters, $2,690. And the circular one is 80 centimeters. It's $3,490. Saan? Ito maganda rin to. $7,990. Wala siyang QR. Ito yung mga vanity mirrors.